In this video, we're going to be looking at finding the volume and surface area of spheres. Now, the formulas for the volume and surface area of a sphere are given to you in your lab books, okay, and they are shown up here. So, first of all, let's get the volume of this question. So we're told we have a radius is 6 meters. So I'm going to get the volume first. So the volume is 4 over 3 times pi times a radius cubed. So we have 4 over 3 times pi times 6 cubes. And that is equal to 288 pi. And then to one decimal place, that'll be 904.8 meters cubed. Remember, I'm doing volume, so then I need to put it to cubed. Okay, for surface area now, so area is equal to 4 times pi times radius squared. So area is going to be 4 times pi times 6 squared, and that is equal to 144 pi, which then will equal to 452.4 meters squared for the surface area of the sphere. Okay, last minute. So this one now, we need to find the volume and surface area of this hemisphere. Okay, so first of all, we're going to be finding the volume. So volume is equal to 4 over 3 times pi times radius cubed. And here our radius is equal to 11. So I'm going to 4 over 3 times pi times 11 cubed. And then all of this then is going to be divided by 2. So I'm going to put all this now over 2 because it's a hemisphere. I'm dividing by 2. And that is equal to 2,662 over 3 pi. Put us to one decimal place, so it'll be 2,787.6 centimeters cubed. Okay, now for surface area. So if the area equals 4 pi times radius squared, so we have 4 times pi times 11 squared, all then divided by 2, because it's half a sphere. So that then will equal 242 pi. But then remember, we need to be finding the whole surface area, okay? And there's also this circle at the bottom of the hemisphere. So I need to find the area of that circle. So that's just going to be pi times radius squared. So pi times 11 squared, and that's going to be 121 pi. So now let's add these two together. So 121 pi plus 242 pi, that'll be 363 pi. And then to one decimal place, that'll be 1,140.4 centimeters squared. Questions, I left it in terms of pi until, because, okay, we'll look at one more question. So here we're told a tube of tennis balls is in a cylinder with radius of 3 centimeters. It contains 3 balls which fit exactly inside it. How high is the tube? Okay, so the only information we have here is a radius of 3 centimeters. But if the radius is 3 centimeters, that means the diameter is 6 centimeters. And in a sphere, the diameter is the same as the height. So that means the height of every sphere, or every tennis ball, is 6 centimeters. So another 6, and then another 6. So the height of the tube will be 6 times 3, which is 18 centimeters. Part B then, we need to find the volume of the empty space in the tube in terms of pi. So first of all, let's get the volume of the whole cylinder. So the volume of a cylinder and that is pi times radius squared times height, and our radius is equal to 3, so we'll have pi times 3 squared times 18, and that then is equal to 162 pi. Okay, now for the spheres, I'm going to have my volume formula first, so 4 over 3 times pi times radius cubed. So I'll have 4 over 3 times pi times 3 cubed. Okay, and that gets us 36 pi. And remember then, it's 3 tennis balls, so let's times that by 3. And when we do that then, that gets us 108 pi. So the volume of the tennis balls is 108 pi, and then the cylinder is 162 pi, and we have to find the volume of the empty space, so let's subtract those volumes. So 162 pi minus 108 pi, and that then is equal to 54 pi, and it's in centimeters cubed. We were told to answer in terms of pi, so I'm just going to leave it like that. As well, for all of these questions, I always use the pi button on the calculator. It's easier if they ask for in terms of pi, plus as well, you saw it keeps the question neater. Okay, any questions, please leave in the comments. Thank you.